We use the simple present with facts. You know, facts. For example, Saudi Arabia is an agent. We cannot say Saudi Arabia was an agent. Because this is a fact. This is wrong.
Yeah.
We have to use what? Present simple.
Saudi Arabia was,
So it is not
it's
an
a fact that's.
yes. When we say, for example, was, it means now it is not an agent, but it is what it is a fact. So with that, we use simple present. دائما أبدا الحقائق نستخدم معها simple present. دائما أبدا. For example, water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. Water boils at 100 degrees. This is a fact. So we use what? Simple present. Then simple present is used with facts and habitual routines. Habitual actions. Use habitual action. Okay. But suppose that you are going to talk about things happened with you in the past. What should we use? Yes, who can give us an example? Who can give us an example about the past of Sudan? Good. What else? Good. I ate pizza last night. Huh? Good. I went to the toilet. Good. So we have to use what? Verb to. If you want to talk about things happen and ended in the past, we have to use what? Simple past. Simple past. دائما وابدا used with what? Things happen and ended in the past. Actions happen and ended in the past. For example, they visited London last year, not last year, last month. So this is what an affirmative sentence is. This is what simple, past, good. Now, if you want to look at the tense, this is the tense. We use what verb to. Okay, now if you want to make negative, how can we make negative out of this? How can we make negative? Yes, and good. Good. They didn't visit. You realize here we have to use what the base form. The base form visit. So yes, they we use with simple past. If you want to make negative, we use did.
Yes.
Didn't. Look here. Visit.
Yes.
They didn't visit London. Yes, good. Base form. We use the base form. They didn't visit London last year. Okay. Now if you want to make a question, based on question, how can we make a question? What is good? Did. So we use did because we asked about what? Past. About the past. And you know the answer would be yes or no. So we use did. Did. Thank you. Did they? Did they what? Did they visit? Did they visit London last year? Okay, if you want to answer, how can we answer the other? What's your name?
Yes or no?
Yes, they did. No, they didn't. Because they can see. Okay, so this is what simple idea. We have more than 5 instances. But if you want to talk, if you want to speak, if you want to write, you have to follow the rules of using what. You will make a lot of mistakes if you do not know or if you do not control, how can we use this. Now, if you want to talk about, things which are happening now, what should we use? Present, progress, progressive or continuous. Good. We use the present progressive or present continuous. If you want to talk about what things which are happening now,
Right now.
it's right now. Look,
These are
he's playing football. Look, Ahmed is playing football now. So we use what? Is am plus what? Verb ing. He's writing. Look at him. We are studying. We are studying. Yes. The helping verb to be and the main verb with ing form. Good. This is what, if you want to use what the present progressive or present of present continuous. In the past, they used to call it continuous. Now they use it what they call it progressive. Progressive. Good. But now, if you want to talk about future, how can we use, the tense? Which tense is suitable for future? Well, good.
or shall.
Or shall,
They
they used to use it in the past, but now it is not what's common. Also, we use what? Going to. Going to is used with arrangements in the future. Now, what is the difference between will and going to? I think there is a difference between them. You can explain arrangement with going to. Going to will. Both of them are used for what? For future. For future. But will is used with what? Expectations. I'm not sure. So I'm not sure. When I will listen to you, probably. Probably. Good. Maybe yes, maybe not sure. But if I say I'm going to visit you, it means surely I will. Well, sure. I think I will go. It says I think I will visit you. Right. Will is used in many places. For example, with the quick decisions. You remember? Spot decisions. For example, there is no milk. Okay, I will bring. The phone is ringing. The phone is ringing. I will answer. So we use will with the quick decisions. Well, secondly, around the okay, I will answer. But yes, with the quick decisions, we use will. But going to is used now what? With arrangements. In future. Going to visit Mecca next month. Yes, inshallah. Yes. We are going to say eat each other the next month. So with arrangements we use going to. With uncertain the action we use when or fast. Yes. With fast decisions or quick decisions with say expectations. Future and expectations in the future we use will. So this is about the difference between will and going to. One of the tenses that we use is the present perfect. What do you know about the present perfect? Yes, we use have, Present perfect. Others with present perfect. We use have for plural and I. Has plus what?
Does like
Past participle. Very. But when do we use the present perfect? When do we use the present perfect? When action happened in the past and still happening up to now. In other words, the present perfect connect the past with the present.
this is why it's good.
Good. Look here. Look at the example. I have lived in Riyadh since 2000. What does it mean? I came to Riyadh in 2000 and I was still up to now. And may continue in the future.
So continuous path.
Yes, so it happens like this. If you want to explain it with the timeline, it will be like this. This is now or present. This is the future. This is what? Past. In 2000, I came to Riyadh. Now we are
Up to now.
2021. I'm still in Riyadh. And, and maybe I will be in Riyadh in the future. Okay? Now, what is the difference? Here, I've lived in Riyadh since 2000. Means I'm still in Riyadh. Look at this difference. You realize here what? This is verb 3, past participle. Look here. Now, what is the difference between the two sentences? This is in past. Good. Did he live in Riyadh now? No. We are not sure. Why? He's not in Riyadh now. He lived in Riyadh in 2000, but now he's not in Riyadh.
That actually finished.
Finish. Good. Happened and ended in the past. Happened and ended in the past. So here, started in the past, happening up to now, and may continue in the future. This is what do you mean by the present perfect? Join or connect the past with the present. Yes, and may continue in the future. But simple past happened and ended in the past. Okay, so this is, let us say, a brief idea about what tenses in general. Either we have, other tenses like the present perfect, progressive, the past perfect, will past progressive. Can we give an example about the future progressive? For example, I will be flying to Mecca next week. I will be flying to Mecca. At this time, next week, school time, we don't have will be flying to Mecca. So this is what will be my future progressive. My schedule is you are flying there at this time. Next week I will be flying. I think since it's in general, are not easy to be controlled. Especially in the present perfect, progressive, perfect, futures. all the kinds of future. So you have to be careful in using it. You want to write well, you have to be careful with it. Clear?
Yes.
If you want to speak, whatever. English is this. English is how to use this. Yes. So this is about, this is it. Now, if you want to talk about yourself, how can you talk? Who wants to talk about himself? Yeah. Now you can mention your name, age, previous school, etc. Go ahead, Muhammad. How was that?
I am 8 years old.
Good.
I was Russians.
Which school did you come in? What is the name of your previous school?
This was like
Your previous school. Good. Sala International.
that's right now. Yeah,
Good. Now, okay, so Muhammad is, talking about himself. School is years old. Where are you from, Muhammad? Syria. Years old. And what things do you like to do? Yes, Muhammad likes genomes. Okay, we can talk about yourself. Now, if I ask you a question, why did you come to this? Yes. Okay. اوكي سامعنا يا احمد الصمادي
ايوه سامعك يا استاذ.
موجود معنا وعامر عامر عامر حمزه محمد عمر العرب
موجود مستر.
عمر انت مش في الفصل هذا، اتصور انك في اولى ثالث معي؟
كيف يعني مستر؟
انت مش مع عبد الرحمن ناصر؟
نعم.
ايوه هو في اولى ثالث، على كل لانه كشفك انه دقيقه خلينا نشوف الاسماء.
Posso pedir, Varela?